Hey there, welcome. I'm Amrita from Diyjewelry. Today we are doing a bead show haul. I was at the bead show here in Minneapolis earlier this year. It's actually been April, I believe, was the show. And so I'm a couple of months behind in bringing this to you. So I'm just going to move this out of the way and we'll look at it section by section. I got these two strands of jaspers. They were $8 each. And so these are beautiful stones. I bought two strands because I thought there's more likelihood that I'll get ones that match because I love making earrings out of these. And so here is a couple of those strands of jasper. And then I got some small crystals. I have some ideas of woven earrings that I want to make. So these are beautiful 3mm crystals. These I think were $1 each strand. I love these shades. I'm a blue, purple, green person, so those are my favorite go-to shades. This is the Mookite. I love the mustardy tones. I primarily picked this out for the mustards, but look at those beautiful pinks and reds in there as well. So this would be gorgeous for a necklace or earrings, and I think maybe have copper knots between each bead. This will be beautiful. So another one to create with. And then I got these two strands, and they had so many different colors, but the last time I was there I picked up all the bright dark colors, and so this time I wanted to get this teal and this beautiful soft creamy pink. I don't know if the colors coming through on the video, but that's a beautiful shade. So I thought this would make a beautiful pair of earrings, a beautiful combination as well. Then I got these. So a friend of mine and I went together, and so we got one strand of this each, and then we split them. So that's why it's in a bag here. These were 50 cents each. And so I got 6 of these porcelain beads. They're beautiful, kind of have that summery feel to them with this flower that looks kind of like the sun and the plant. So got 6 of those. And then these were, I think, one of my favorite porcelain ones. They have this beautiful blue flowers in the back, and then they have these 2D red centers for the flowers. So I love these, and I think they make some gorgeous earrings. And this was $4 for the strand. These are these beautiful glass beads. I think they'd make lovely, highlights for a statement necklace. What I'm envisioning doing is doing a woven copper base and having these on there as flowers, and maybe have a red center for them. So I got one strand of this. Then I got these different jaspers. Now these are called Cherry Creek Jasper. They had different colors and shapes. So I got 6 of these, and these were $4 each. And these don't have a hole in them, so I'm going to do a couple of videos of wrapping slabs of stone like this which don't have a hole. I thought I have some neat ideas. Maybe we do a tree of life on a couple of them, and then we can do some swirly wraps on the others as well. So I try to get different colors in them, and so a couple of them have this red with mustard highlights. This one has a mustard, maroon, and cream coloration to it. This one's actually almost blue and black, which I thought was really neat too. And this is my favorite one, I think, of the lot. I love the blue and the gray up here with the maroon and green down below. And beautiful striations through it, but it's a smooth stone. This is a beautiful, this is what I think of when I think of jaspers, typically these beautiful golden yellow tones to a stone. So this one is a gorgeous one, and look at those beautiful striations. Those look almost glass-like in there. Lovely. And then this one has the forest green with the red and highlights of pink in there as well. looking forward to creating with these. And while we're at it, I got these two ocean jaspers, and these were, I believe, if I remember right, $7 or $8 each. And they're beautiful jaspers. I love the colors on them. My trees of life with these do really well, so I'm probably going to make those. And then I got this beautiful quartz. I forget what quartz it is, but I love the clear quartz here. You can see hardly any inclusions up on the top. It's pretty clear, glass-like. And then you have this crackled glass finish inside in the bottom. And these are natural inclusions. Love this stone. This was, I believe, $7 for this one. Really, really pretty stone, and so it was totally worth it for me to get this quartz. These are agate slabs. Now, I got this initially thinking I could make pendants out of them, but I'm also thinking maybe these would make really neat bases for three-dimensional trees of life too. So still going to play around with this and see what I want to do with them. These were $3 each. Really beautiful stones here, and so I got one of each color. So I got 4 pairs of these impression jaspers. Really neat. I think they make nice earrings, and so I'm looking forward to creating with these too. I have some fun ideas, but look at the beautiful golds and turquoise embedded in there. So yeah, so this will be a fun pair to create with. I went over to this Tibetan section, and they have these beautiful Tibetan beads. I love the brass and stone effect in here. So there are chips of stone in there. So this is beautiful. Love the colors of turquoise and coral colors mixed in there, and then a few dark blue pieces. These were, I believe, $1 a piece. And so I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 pieces here. And then here I have the tiger's eye teardrops. They have side drilled, and these are $6 each. Love the colors in them, and so got a pair of that. And then this is a pair of solidite. These were $5 each. And then this, I think, is one of my favorite purchases. This is called, okay, let me see if I'll get this right. It's strawberry lepidocrocite quartz. So these are $5 each. This has a little bit more of an orange tinge to it, and then this kind of crystalline effect in there. Can you see that? And then this is pink, and this is typically where it gets its strawberry name from. So beautiful, beautiful teardrop beads, and these are going to be pendants. So there, that was my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like something in here and the next time I'm going to the gem show you'd like me to get you something, I'm happy to get that and ship it to you, and I can create a custom listing on my Etsy page and get that to you. So let me know if there's something that you really like. Let me know in the comments, or you can email me at artriajewelry@gmail.com. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.